Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani, coming to you today with, I want to say part 2 of my fall home decor haul. Today it's going to be Hobby Lobby, Ross, and Target. I mentioned to you guys before that I am not buying too many items because I have a lot of fall decor, and two, I probably won't be decorating every part of my home like I normally do because of the water damage. So I'm really trying hard not to buy a lot of stuff. If you'd like to see what I got, keep watching. First item that I got was from Hobby Lobby. I got two items, but they're identical. Of course, I got a pumpkin. It is this like cream. Cream is probably my favorite color to decorate my home. So I really like this. This actually was $29.99 and I got 40% off. So I hope you can see it. Okay, so I got actually two of these, but I'm only going to show one. And I went to Ross and I got only one item from Ross. No, I take it back. I got two items from Ross. The first item that I got was these salt and pepper shakers. I am not going to be using them for salt and pepper shakers. I'm going to be using it for my cinnamon and nutmeg. I like putting cinnamon and nutmeg in my coffee, so I got this. I mean, they're super heavy. Let me pause the camera and I will take it out the box so you can see exactly how it looks. Okay, I'll be right back. I wanted to take it out the box so you guys can see, one, how beautiful they are, and two, like I said, they're super heavy. They're like a really thick glass, just absolutely gorgeous. And the price for these were $5.99. You guys can see that. Okay, so that was my first item that I got from Ross. Then the next item, I don't know if this is like fall decor, but I will be using it as fall decor item. I wanted to bring some greenery into my coffee station upstairs. We have two coffee stations. We have one upstairs as well as downstairs. Again, I probably won't be doing the one downstairs, but I'm definitely doing the one upstairs. And I got this beautiful owl container. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. It seems like it's made out of stone. Very heavy, not too big. Absolutely gorgeous. And the price for this, turn it around so you can see, is $8.99. Can you guys see that? $8.99. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay? So those were the two fall items that I got from Ross. Well, I went to the store to try to see if I could get some of those. My store was completely out. However, they did have some other items that I liked. For me, Target is like hit or miss, but for fall I was able to find a few items that I like. So I'll go ahead and show you what I got. The first thing that I got was this coffee mug. Like I tell you guys, I don't want to say an obsession, but I just like coffee mugs. I like coffee cups. You know, that's just my thing. So I wanted something for the fall season, or something new for the fall season, because I have, you know, like I said, I change them out every season. First item that I got from Target was this coffee mug. It is absolutely gorgeous. Again, it's in that cream color that I like. Glass, absolutely gorgeous, and it says pumpkin spice, everything nice. Really cute for when I want my coffee on the go. The price for this was $5. So for $5, I don't think you can beat this. This is absolutely nice. Then the next item I got also was another mug, and it's one of those sweater mugs, again in that kind of a creamish Just absolutely gorgeous. Reasonably priced. It was only $3. Next item that I got was some decals. So when I saw this at the Target dollar spot, I was super excited because I can do my own decals on my mug if I want to, or my pillows. I mean, even if it just lasts for the season, I'm okay with that. And this was pretty reasonable. Again, this was also $3. And it has fall is my favorite, leaves are falling, harvest, hay rides, happy fall y'all, gather here, together is our favorite place to be. It has pumpkins, real nice, and I like that it's in this like gold color, just absolutely gorgeous. Then I really liked these, the acorns. These were super cute. Look at this, for $1, you guys. It is made out of wood. You see how thick this is? Just absolutely gorgeous. I will be using this in my dining room if I decide to decorate. And I believe I'm going to change the color because nothing downstairs is this color. So I might be doing a DIY if I decide to decorate, you know, my dining room. If I do decide, I will be, like I said, I'll be doing a DIY and I'll be sure to share it with you guys. So I like it absolutely a lot, so I ended up getting 4. And again, it was only $1. You can't beat this for $1. Then the next item that I got was appetizers plates. Just gorgeous. I had it upside down, again in the cream color that I like. I mean, I just think cream is just so elegant. Absolutely love it. They only had one set. I would have loved to get another set, and I think I mentioned to you guys I may go to Target today, later on today. If not today, for sure tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to see if I could get another one of this, and the price on it again was just $3. See that? Gorgeous. I saw this pumpkin and I just thought it was just so cute. Again, in my color. I absolutely love this color. I'm not too crazy about the stem. I may spray gold or maybe white. I'm not sure yet, but I just absolutely love this. And it's a nice size. It's really light. I want to say it's probably made out of foam on the inside. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I only got one of this. It doesn't have the price on it, but I believe I paid, yes it does, $3. Okay. Then I got 2 more pumpkins. Again, in my favorite color, just absolutely beautiful are these 2 pumpkins. You can see here, I'll only show one in the video. Just absolutely gorgeous. Again, I may change the stem, and again, it was $3. Okay. And then my final item was this basket. I think this basket is just so pretty. Look at this, guys. It is I guess a fruit basket, and it's in like this rose gold or pink, I guess. Just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be using this upstairs in my coffee bar to house, like, you know, snacks and stuff like that. Just absolutely cute. And again, for this basket, I thought the price was really good. and that was $5. Well guys, this is the end of our haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure also to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch my video. As always, it was a pleasure doing this video for you guys. Until the next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!